Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. Soldering and assembling of this 10 watt FM transmitter is finished. It is connected to the 12 volt battery, and this meter is between the battery and the FM transmitter. If you don't have any special equipment to adjust or align the FM transmitter, this meter is the best way. When you have bigger amount of milliamps, it means that you have in maximum transmitter's power. Very well. Now device is on, it is working. We have 3 transistors like schematic. The first transistor is BF199, second one BF91, and third one BF96. Here is the transistors that we have it. The schematic as before. This is compact one, and this one is the schematic. Very good. To test the first step, I'm testing with this RF meter. I'm turning on. Wow, incredible. Really, it's very hard to work with this. It's the minimum, as you can see, the maximum of difference. The device working very powerful. It's in maximum power. I'm going for the frequency meter. This is 99.9 megahertz. You can see this is super stable. We don't have any change. In radio we can take it very nice. The reason for this stability is the second coil that we used this side, and also we have one vari-cap diode here. As you can see, I'm not sure that the camera quality is good or not. We have 2 trimmer caps here to adjust the FM transmitter, and also we have 2 pot here, 10K. First one for adjusting the input from this end, and also the other one is for quality of duty cycle. So I'm testing the RF power. I'm turning on this device without antenna because of the frequency gonna be congested all around the room, and I'm not able to connect even a small antenna to this detector because of we have more than 10 watt power here. And also, as you can see, without antenna we have too much activities with this cornet frequency detector. Very good. For the next video, I'm going to test with the radio for the outdoor. Exactly, I want to know exactly how long is the real output and throughput of this FM transmitter with 3 UHF transistor. Thanks for watching. I'm going to make one more video about transmitters. Goodbye.